Take a ride in the 2022 911. 911. Safety and dynamics, coupled with inner strength. A legend. And up to 3,200 RPM, the engine operates with dual injection. At up to 2,500 RPM, it even works with triple injection. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, convertible soft top, LED headlights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.